Start by exchanging the sodium ion for ammonium via a double exchange. In a 1 molar ammonium chloride solution, I'll pour in the zeolite once the solution reaches 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Then let it sit for 2 hours. Right after, I need to filter and wash the precipitate. This should be repeated about 3 times. Once all that's done, the material goes onto a petri dish and is left to dry in the oven for a few hours. This makes it completely dry and ready for the final stage. I'll crush it thoroughly and transfer it to an alumina crucible. I take the crucible to my forge and cover it with a piece of refractory brick. It needs to stay at 1022 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 hours to remove the ammonia, leaving only hydrogen. But first, I take some charcoal and scrap it with a fine sandpaper. This produces plenty of charcoal powder, which will be useful in a ceramic we're making next. Using clay, charcoal, and aluminum oxide, soon you'll see why this is needed. I roll it into a cylinder and cut it into several small pieces. Then I drill multiple holes to allow air to pass through. After it dries, it goes straight into the forge. I can't check the exact temperature, but it easily exceeds 932 degrees Fahrenheit. I leave it there all day. The next day, we finally have the catalyst used in petroleum cracking. Now it's time to set up the system to do this. We're going to refine the oil formed from the plastic and get pure gasoline. The small ceramic pieces need to be sanded to the correct size to fit into a small steel tube. We'll place the HY zeolite catalyst both inside the steel tube and directly in the pot with the plastics. It's important to make a little extra to increase yield. The ceramic tubes let the gas pass while keeping the catalyst in place, kind of holding it in. This steel tube with the zeolite must connect directly to the copper tubing coming from the pot. To do this, we'll weld an adapter on both ends. Hold on, you'll see how it all works. Now I'll take a piece of copper tubing that will act as the gas outlet, where it will condense and be collected. Next, I'll weld the piece coming directly from the pot. I made a small coil in it to prevent the gas from shooting too forcefully straight into the catalyst.